Properties of 1 omega and omega square. Cube roots of unity are 1 omega and omega square, where unity is nothing but 1. तर क्यूब रूट म्हणजे काय? घनमूळ. 1 चे हे घनमूळ आहेत. 1 ओमेगा आणि ओमेगा वर्ग हे 1 चे घनमूळ आहेत. Where omega equal to -1 plus I root 3 divided by 2 and omega square equal to -1 plus I root 3 divided by 2 square. Means omega square means -1 minus I root 3 divided by 2. Where omega and omega square are conjugate to each other. Omega equal to -1 plus I root 3 divided by 2 and -1 minus I root 3 divided by 2. These two are complex roots of unity and this root is real root of unity. म्हणजे 1 चे घनमूळ 1 आहे आणि 1 चे ओमेगा आणि ओमेगा वर्ग हे कॉम्प्लेक्स घनमूळ आहेत. क्यूब रूट्स आहेत. आणि परत हे दोन्ही नंबर कसे आहेत? कॉन्जुगेट आहेत एकमेकांचे. प्रॉपर्टी फर्स्ट. ओमेगा इज complex cube root of 1 means 1 raised to 1 upon 3 means cube root of 1 equal to omega. Therefore omega cube equal to 1. Now second property. Omega cube minus 1 equal to 0. That is omega minus 1 and omega square plus omega plus 1 equal to 0. Means omega equal to 1 or omega square plus omega plus 1 equal to 0. But omega is not equal to 1 because omega is complex number. Therefore omega square plus omega plus 1 equal to 0. Third property. Omega square means 1 upon omega because omega cube is equal to 1. Therefore omega square is equal to 1 upon omega and omega equal to 1 upon omega square. Fourth property. Now omega cube equal to 1. Therefore omega raised to 3n equal to also 1. Also equal to 1. म्हणजे n हा कोणताही एक रियल नंबर असेल त्यामुळे आपण असं लिहू शकतो ओमेगा क्यूब इक्वल टू 1. देअरफॉर ओमेगा रेज टू 3n इक्वल टू 1. Omega raised to 4 means what? Omega cube into omega, but omega cube is 1. Therefore 1 into omega. Therefore omega raised to 3n plus 1. 3n plus 1 equal to omega. 3n plus 1 equal to omega. Therefore omega equal to 3n plus 1 equal to omega. Omega raised to 5 means what? Omega cube into omega square, but omega cube equal to 1. Therefore 1 into omega square equal to omega square. Therefore omega raised to 3n plus 2. 3n plus 2 plus 2 equal to omega square. Now seventh property. conjugate of omega is nothing but omega square. Eighth property, square of conjugate of omega equal to omega. And also note that 1 equal to e raised to 2 pi I, omega equal to e raised to 2 pi divided by 3I, omega square equal to e raised to 4 pi divided by 3I. Cube roots of 1 are, means cube roots of unity are 1, omega and omega square, where omega and omega square are complex cube roots of unity, means 1, and 1 is real cube root of 1, or 1 is real root of unity, where omega equal to minus 1 plus I root 3 divided by 2, and omega square equal to minus 1 plus I root 3 divided by 2 square. But therefore omega square is equal to minus 1 minus I root 3 divided by 2. तर हे दोन कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर आहेत, कॉम्प्लेक्स रूट्स आहेत युनिटीचे, कॉम्प्लेक्स रूट्स आहेत 1 चे, आणि हा रियल रूट आहे युनिटीचा म्हणजे कॉम्प्लेक्स 1 चा.